Here is how to bot Reddit upvotes in 2026. Let's begin. First, head over to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you are there, just click Log In and use your Google account to get started immediately. It's super quick. Next, you need to add some balance. Go over to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and more. It's fast and secure, so you can start ordering right away. Now go to New Order. In the search bar, just type Reddit Upvote. This is essentially where you find the Reddit Upvote bot service. Then choose the first option. It costs $45 per 1,000 upvotes, which is great for high-quality votes. From here, just paste your Reddit post link. In this video, let's test this with 100 upvotes. Type that amount in, tap Order Now, and that is it. The system starts working in the background immediately. Here's how it went and the upvotes got in. I refreshed the page after a few minutes and you can see the upvotes climbing already. It went from just a couple of votes straight up to our target amount almost instantly. If you want to try this out for yourself, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. It's the most reliable way to get traction on your posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your socials in 2026.